Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Makeover Mom. Today's DIY is super fun, affordable, and unique. We are doing do-it-yourself marble office and room decor. This is a perfect DIY if you have like old nail polish that you're thinking about throwing away, or if you just had some colors that you didn't like. So you guys really should give this a try. It's a really fun DIY. I'd also recommend staying with one color if you want to get a really marble-like effect. A lot of colors can sometimes get a little too messy. Also, you want to work very quickly and with hot water before all the nail polish starts to cool and settles and it becomes cakey. What also looks really good is if you do kind of geometric lines like I did on the cup and on the wall art tray. Also, when you guys are done, make sure to hit this with a coat of Mod Podge. I stained my desk a little bit because I turned it over without putting Mod Podge on it. You want to try to leave some blank space or some white space. If you cover the whole entire thing, it just looks kind of messy, so learn from my mistakes. My favorite was the note tray and the placemat to go under your computer. I thought these turned out so cute. Let me know what was your favorite marble DIY from this video. I really would love to hear what your guys' favorite was, and make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification to get more DIYs in your subscription feed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have been enjoying the new DIYs I've been putting up. Let me know what you guys want to see. I really would love to know what was your favorite marble DIY from this video. Did you guys like the placemat or the pencil holder or the tray, the notepad tray? Let me know in the comments below. I want to hear what you guys think. Thanks for watching.